this special treatment, we have several types of special beads. And as you can see on this side of the diamond painting, we have completed the image. We've got lemon as well as mandarin over here for this section. On the orange section, you sprinkle the mandarin for rounds and tangerine for squares. Lemon would be the same for both rounds and squares on the yellow areas. And then we have electric diamonds for this section over here in the middle. And then around these sections would be morganite. We've got magenta for this middle part of her choker. And finally, we have electric diamonds that have been sprinkled in the background together with some morganite. So this is the finished look with the special beads and the regular beads. On the other side, we've placed just the special beads. So this is one way that you can conduct your special treatment, which is by first laying out all of the special beads. As you can see, we've got here the electric and the morganite. And then over here for the yellow areas, lemon. And then on the outer section, we've got some mandarin. And then we continue with more magenta over here, electric and morganite for the shine around her eyes for her makeup, and then more of the lemon and mandarin for her hair tie. So this is what it would look like with just the special beads and none of the regular beads just yet. Once you've completed this and you like the look, then you can proceed with completing your diamond painting using the regular beads.